What's up, guys? Are you tired of protein oatmeal? Yeah, me neither. But here's a brand new way to eat your rolled oats that's equally as quick to prep. These protein oatmeal cups are great for meal prep, packed with awesome macros and travel friendly. So let's jump right into them. Start this one by adding into a mixing bowl 2.5 cups of rolled oats, 1.5 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 2.5 scoops of your choice protein powder, 3/4 a cup of Greek yogurt, 2 large whole eggs or half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of honey or syrup like sugar-free to lower the carbs a bit, 3/4 a cup of milk or milk substitute, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. To add a bit more sweetness, you could add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of some sweetener. I'll make sure to put a full list of all the variations I've tried, including metric conversions for every ingredient here on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Give those a quick mix until everything is incorporated. Here's where you could lightly mix in anything else you want. Today, I'm going with some mini chocolate chips. Now let your mix rest for 5 to 10 minutes. It'll thicken up like this. Once it thickens up, take out either a muffin pan or a baking sheet with some silicone muffin cups. Drop your mix into each cup and repeat until your mix is gone. It should make around 12 this size. Top them with whatever you want. Chocolate chips, baking M&Ms, blueberries, shredded coconut, the choice is yours. Throw them in the oven on 350 for around 20 to 25 minutes or until they look like this. Question of the day: what's one ingredient you always add to your oats? Drop it below. As for tips for this one, number 1, keep an eye on them in the oven. If you cook them for too long, they'll be a bit dry. Number 2, change up the flavor or texture by adding in things like fresh fruit, peanut butter, and so on. Number 3, reheating them at 350 for 4 minutes in the air fryer will make them taste even better. And number 4, keep them in the fridge. They should last around 5 to 7 days. The winner for our last Testing Your Guesstimating was Ben. Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this many M&Ms. Guess how much you think they weigh in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win either a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more high protein recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a video. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.